Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to create this type of simple part in SolidWorks. So keep watching this video till end. But before continuing further, it is requested that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon for all upcoming videos notification. Sketch on front plane. Now select rectangle, corner rectangle, and start it from origin. Now draw a circle. Define them. (28" and 30". Now define circles 360 and 55 millimeters. Press escape button and select points and place them on the quadrants of circles. Now define distance from top line to this point is 115 millimeters, and the distance from this line to the point is 150 millimeters. Now distance from this point for this circle to the top line is 180 millimeters. Similarly, this distance is 105 millimeters. So our sketch is fully defined. For extrusion, go to Features tab and select Extruded Boss Base command. Extrude it up to 1/2 inch. Press OK button. Now we need to add holes in it. So for that, sketch on this face and then normal to. Draw a circle from the origin of existing hole, and then in the left side select for construction geometry, press OK button. Now draw another circle. Now define them. This would be the PCD, which is 400 millimeters. Now define this drill size 12 millimeters. Now click on Features tab and then select Extruded Cut command. Drag this arrow and press OK button. Now click on Linear Pattern button and then select Circular Pattern. Select this hole as Features to Pattern and then click on this box Pattern Axis. Now select this circular edge. Now define the quantity, which is 12. Press OK button. So this part is ready for manufacturing. Thanks for watching and sparing time. And please don't forget to subscribe.